probably here in the next half an hour to hour. Northeast Missouri, Kansas City, and St. Louis offices probably starting to cancel that. Probably closer to 10. If it gets close to 10, they might just let it go to 10. That's when it's going to expire. And then once again, when you have that flash flood warning in effect until 9:45 this evening for Knox County. But as you can see, we still have this tornado warning in effect for southwestern Macon County until the top of the hour, so for another 5 minutes. But rotation in this is really not as defined as it was initially when we broke into regular scheduled programming. So actually, I take that back. Sorry. Around the New Cambria area, we are starting to see some indications of some rotation once again. So we'll have to see if they extend this a little longer. Let me show you what I'm looking at right here. So I will zoom in. So around the Kern area, New Cambria, you guys still are under the gun for at least the next 5 minutes, although there has been no indication of a tornado actually touching the ground. If you're in the Callio area, please be in your safe place for the next 5 minutes as well. So pretty much we are talking about this portion of Macon County right now. Bevier, you are on just the outside of it. Macon, as we saw from our Skycam, is getting a pretty decent thunderstorm right now, but the bulk of the strong to severe weather is to the south of the city of Macon, over towards the western half of Macon County, down towards the southwestern corner of Macon County. That's where we have this tornado warning in effect for another 4 minutes at least. Is there any indication from the National Weather Service? Nothing about this storm right now. I'm going to go back to our reflectivity. Yeah, the big hail core is diving out of Macon County, but if you're over towards the Buckland area near Marceline over into Lynn County, a pretty hefty severe thunderstorm warning is making its way into that portion of the area. Severe thunderstorm. We do have another severe thunderstorm warning just issued now for Lynn and Macon County until 8:30 this evening. That storm is moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. 2-inch in diameter hail is possible. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts are possible with that storm as well. But for right now, I'm going to keep you updated on the tornado warning, and then I'll post those severe thunderstorm warnings over on our website and over on our social media pages when I am done covering this tornado warning, which looks likely to be in the next 3 minutes. Right now, still not good indication on if this storm will continue to need to have a tornado warning on it. Frankly, I think we're only going to be on air for another 2 minutes. As you can see, even based off of reflectivity, there's nowhere close to a hook echo in this imagery. Well, there is the possibility of still seeing some very strong winds and large hail within this storm cell as it's making its way south and southeastward through this portion of northeast Missouri. So frankly speaking, right now, we do have this tornado warning in effect for another 2 minutes or less than that actually, and we will be heading back to regular scheduled programming. Let me pause it because I think, there we go. Yeah, not that defined of rotation anymore. So this is a good opportunity still. We have 2 hours left with a severe thunderstorm watch. So if you do have to head anywhere for the next couple of hours, please be sure to download our KTVO weather app, which is free for either your Apple or Android device. But once again, we have this tornado warning in effect for far southwestern Macon County until the top of the hour. And I'm going to go double check my chat. Any thoughts? We will have to see what is going on. But as you see, guys can see, this storm is starting to make its way out of our viewing area as I'm speaking. And we'll have to see here in the next half a minute or so if it's going to expire or continue to be expanded. If it does get expanded, I think it's going to be outside of our viewing area, but let's hold on for another 30 seconds to see what the National Weather Service. All right. The National Weather Service has expired the tornado warning for Macon County. With that being said, we'll send you back to our regular scheduled programming.
Get the latest weather updates at KTVO.com and the Storm Team 3 mobile app. We now rejoin regular programming in progress.